Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to demo you and explain you the assembly and the installation of this wall mount fan. So when you buy the wall mount fan, always it comes in two parts. One is this motor and the regulator part, which is pre-assembled, okay, and the second part is this fan and the cover of this fan. It doesn't matter which brand you buy, all brands follow the same procedure. You will get these in two parts and you to assemble, okay. So before we start the assembly and the installation, let me tell you something about this fan. So this fan is from the Havells Platina series, and this fan is standard size 400 mm. That means the blade size is 400 mm 16 inches, and there is one more smaller size available, 300 mm, that is 12-inch blade size. If you want a smaller one, you can go for the 300 mm. Otherwise this is a very standard size, and this fan supports 1350 rpm at the max speed, and this is also a standard rpm for this size of fan. And this fan has a features like vertical movement. We can set the position vertically, and the horizontal oscillation, it supports up to 60 degree, and it has these cords for adjusting the speed and the oscillation. If you want to explore this fan, I will put the link of this product in the description. You can explore. So let's start the assembly now. By the way, before doing the assembly, what you can do is you can take this bottom part and try to test it whether it's working properly or not. If it is not working, then there is no point of assembling and installation. You can directly apply for return or the replacement, okay. So you can take this part and put it into the socket and turn on, and you can test all the speeds and also the oscillation. So this part rotates and this top part oscillates, okay. Otherwise the fan part is anyhow the dead part. If this is working, then that will anyhow work. Now this fan part, see on the fan there is a cut. You will see one cut, okay, and on this shaft, this metal shaft, you will see a rod, okay. So this cut will set in that rod. So that way you will know how much inside it has to go. The cut part in the fan should set on the rod of that shaft, okay. So it is all set. We just have to fasten the top nut. So this also we have to make it absolutely tight, otherwise the fan part will come out while spinning. Now we have to just put the top cover. So this round circle that you see, okay, this plastic ring, this has the two placeholders, one for the bottom ring, one for the top ring. So we'll just make it a little loose and fix the top cover in the same ring, okay. So with this our fan assembly is done. So later on when you want to clean the fan, the process is same. You just have to loosen this screw, open these upper and the lower part, and open the fan blades and clean it, and then again fasten it. So now we have to start the installation. For the installation they have given everything which is needed. They have given the clamp for mounting the fan and the plugs and the screws. Okay, everything they have given. For the installation I want to give you one tip, that you should consider installing the fan at a lower height, as low as possible. Okay, and of course it should not obstruct the free movement, but it should be at a lower height, because what happens is the hot air, because hot air is lighter, that remains at a higher height. Okay, and the cool air remains at the lower height. If you are installing the fan at a lower height, then you will get the cool air. Okay, otherwise you will get the hot air. So try to install at a lower height, as low as possible, and of course you have to make sure that it does not obstruct your free movement. So once this clamp is installed, then we just have to mount the fan on this clamp. Okay, let me show you. So you see this part, okay, this goes into the clamp like this. See, marking with the tape is the easiest approach to decide the depth. So you can see the installation. So this is a knob for the tilting purpose. If you want to change the vertical position up and down, then loosen it and then set the position, then again tighten it. Okay, you can do it with the bare hand, no instrument required. So that's it for this video. If you like this content, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you. And if you have any question remaining, you can put it in the comment section. I'll try to answer.